There's nothing like a dinner with old friends, so I'm here at the James Beard House tonight with my dear friend, Chef Jean-Louis Gérin, who's cooking up a fabulous journey of his childhood, from his mother's favorite dishes to his grandmother's pain perdu. So let's go take a peek in the kitchen. Come on in.
Before the event, Jean-Louis took us back into the kitchen for a little sneak peek at what he was preparing for the evening.
The base of my kitchen is always reduction, intensity, and things that are very simple.
So tell me what
Okay, those are the calamaris,
Okay.
and they are just sitting here with the saffron and the tomatoes, and we consider that they are cooked now, so we are not making anything to them anymore. We just let them just have fun together.
So they're just having. So what? And this is the base for one of your sauces tonight. or
This is the
what-
first course tonight.
Okay.
Then here is a consommé of oxtail. Oxtail takes about 5 days to make,
Right.
but we take an extra day, so we this is 6 days. On my red sauces, you always have a lot of reductions. This is a devil one.
But this is the one that makes me think of you.
That's
Why
a
is
devilish.
that? Oh, wow. Oh, I'm so surprised. This is
Devil
this
sauce.
is- So it's devil sauce. Well, that's
So it's Armagnac cream, red wine, peppercorn, and
the Armagnac comes from.
this one is for just for pears. We are going to make a syrup that is made out of wine from Côte d'Ivoire. Here, this is the one that is giving us trouble tonight. This is American sauce.
Of course.
And tonight she's not turning out the way we want, so we are going to use 2 machines to kick her up. But I'm not going to do that before it's time to serve.
Now, what kind of sauce is that?
American sauce, Armoricain, which is lobster shells, lobsters, a little bit of bones, tomato, lots of cream. Not lots of cream, but you know, enough cream.
Cream is good.
And this we always have, on my stove there is always a pot of chicken juice. Because we never know, we use that as emergencies, either for fish or for meat. Chicken juice is to us a solution
Right.
that we use.
And I see over on this little area right here, we've got some very smelly popcorn. My
We are
favorite.
making popcorn with truffle oil, and then we have all our seafood are ready to go, but they are not cooked. We never cook anything in advance. So this is everything à la minute. So this is why you see a lot of people all around in the kitchen, and you don't see anybody panicking because there is no reason for it. So again, my kitchen is very simple. The style is very simple, so this is why we can do everything tiny and just taste
And delicious.
and delicious we hope. But we are not sure yet.
We'll be back in a minute.
While the cooks were busy in the kitchen, I snuck into the dining room to talk with Franck Girard from Moet Hennessy about our wines for the evening.
Now the next course cracks me up because Jean-Louis is never subtle, and it's buffalo filet mignon, brutally seared. It's on the menu as brutally seared in cast iron. And so now we're moving to the Rhône region of France.
That's right. Well, what I like about Rhône, I don't know how much you know about Châteauneuf-du-Pape, but there's 13 varietal of grapes you can use to make Châteauneuf. It's a very complex wine, and this blending create again layers and layers of aroma. And when you read Jean-Louis' recipe with the buffalo and the sauce, which is on the spicy side with the crushed pepper,
That's that
you
devil
want a
sauce.
wine that can give you some length.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of big wines sometimes are really upfront, but that said, they bring everything up and there's nothing
Well, it's got to
behind
be able
it.
to hold its own
You
with
need
the
something
sauce
that's going
that.
to keep, and it's going to evolve. You'll see when you try the wine with the food, you have all these different aromas. It's a great bottle of wine.
Join us for part 2, where we'll see a lot more action from the front and back of the house. You'll see the team hard at work as they put on this full dining production. In the meantime, I'll be out in the dining room sipping champagne and, of course, sampling Jean-Louis' tasty treats. You can find all our videos at culinarymedianetwork.com. where we celebrate the sensual pleasures of food. And by the way, it's not a night if somebody's not swooning.